My name's Kurt with Milwaukee Tool. I'm up here at Acme Tools in Grand Forks, and today we'll be demoing and taking a detailed look at the Milwaukee 23 gauge pin nailer. The part number is 2540-21 for the kit, and the part number 2540-20 for the bare tool. Weighing in at 3.8 pounds with battery, this pin nailer also features a magazine reload indicator, tool-free drive depth adjustment, reversible belt clip, LED light, battery fuel gauge, a secondary work contact tip, rubber overmold to protect the tool and surfaces, and carries an industry-leading 3-year limited power tool warranty. The M12 pin nailer drives 23 gauge headless pin nails ranging in length from 1/2 inch to 1 3/8 inch, and features all-day runtime with up to 750 pin nails per charge when paired with an M12 red lithium 1.5 CP battery pack. The nitrogen air spring mechanism allows the nailer to consistently sink pin nails at proper depth into hard or soft woods while leaving small, clean nail holes. The double action trigger and non-marring precision point allows for sequential driving and accurate pin placement into delicate trim pieces. The dry fire lockout feature prevents misfires and workpiece damage. Today for our demo, we're going to max it out and drive some 1 3/8 inch nails through a variety of hardwoods. We're going to start soft with some alder, go up to some red oak, maple, hickory, and then we're finally going to end it in some mahogany wood. Make sure to comment any questions you have below. Make sure to subscribe to Acme Tools for the latest updates on Milwaukee Tools, and don't forget to like this video. And remember to always do your best work with Acme Tools.